In this video, I will be going over the shape tools, line segment tool, pen tool, curvature tool, and the brush tool. You can follow along with this video by downloading the attached file and opening it up in Illustrator. The first tools we are going to use are the shape tools. The tool group can be found by first clicking and holding on the rectangle tool, and then clicking on the little arrow on the right side of the pop-up. From here you can see that we have access to the rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, the polygon tool, and the star tool. We will be going over the line segment tool next. With the rectangle tool selected, we will just click and drag until we have our desired size. When trying to draw a square, you can see it could be hard to make each side even. The trick for this is to just hold down Shift while dragging to lock the proportions. This can be used with any of the shape tools. Next, we will use the ellipse tool. To make a perfect circle, we will just hold down Shift while dragging. As you can see, it can be hard to draw the circle in the exact location you want it. So a trick for this is to hold down Alt as well as Shift and click and drag from the middle of the circle. Now we'll click on the star tool and use it to draw our last shape. It is used just like the other shape tools, so we'll just click and drag to draw. Now we'll use the delete anchor point tool to get rid of points in our shape so that it can match our outline. To find the tool, go to the ellipsis at the bottom of the toolbar and click on the delete anchor point tool and drag it into the toolbar. This tool can be used on any line or shape with multiple anchor points. So now we'll just click the points we don't want. The line segment tool is found in the shape tool group that we opened earlier. You can also access the tool with the keyboard shortcut /. To use the tool, just click and drag to draw a line. To make a line straight, hold down Shift while drawing. If you want to make a line with a specific length, have the line segment tool selected and just click on the artboard. A line segment tool options pop-up will appear. From here we can put the length we want. I'm going to change the line to 100 and press OK. The pen tool can be found in the toolbar under the selection tool. To use it, you will just click where you want your anchor points to be, and then click on the original point to close the shape. Here we want to draw a line without creating a closed shape. To do this, first draw your line, and then after your last point, either click Escape or Delete. The pen tool can also be used to draw curved lines. To do this, make your first point, and then while making your second point, hold and drag to create a curved line. As you can see, after you make the second point, the line automatically curves. But if you don't want the pre-generated curve, you can do as before and just click and drag when making the next point. The pen tool is hard to use and will take time to master. The curvature tool can be found under the direct selection tool on the toolbar. To use it, you will make your first point and then make a second point on the line. As you can see, the cursor will make a pre-generated curve. To finish the curve, I will keep clicking on the line and dragging my points to make the curve I want. Just like the pen tool, you can press Escape or Delete to unselect the tool. The brush tool is probably the easiest tool to use. It can be found on the toolbar under the curvature tool or with the shortcut B. To use it, you will just click while still holding down and draw. In the control panel, you will have a lot of options like stroke weight and opacity of the brush. To open more brush options, just go to the Window tab and open up the Brushes panel. Click on the Library button on the bottom corner of the panel, and here's where you can find different types of brushes. You can also upload your own brushes by clicking on the Other library. To draw straight lines while using the brush tool, hold Shift while dragging.